The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones of the year, and leaks are giving us a glimpse of what to expect. New features enhanced camera system a 1-inch sensor is rumored, which would significantly improve dynamic range and reduce noise in low light conditions. 1 increased internal storage a boost to at least 8 GB of internal storage is expected, reducing the need for frequent media transfers. 1 extended battery life The Mini 5 Pro needs to offer a minimum of 40 minutes of flight time per charge to meet user expectations. 1 advanced obstacle avoidance system An upgraded obstacle avoidance system with sensors on all sides is rumored, providing 360-degree awareness. 2 price and release date The price is speculated to be between $700 to $800. 1 The release date was initially rumored to be around September 2024, but there's no official confirmation yet. 1 Keep in mind that these are just leaks and speculations, and we'll have to wait for the official announcement from DJI to confirm the features, price, and release date. 2 1 3